I've been going back and forth on whether or not I was going to make this video for a long time. Gatsby dress sneakers. Are they worth it or not? I'm Bill Sweet and this is the Dad Bod. A while back, a friend of mine asked if I knew anything about the Gatsby shoes. I did, but at the time I hadn't tried them myself to be able to let him know my thoughts, so I put in an order and here they are. I tend to wear a bit more navy than any other color, so I went with the brown shoes. I know many of you watching this are more curious as to my thoughts of the idea of the shoes more than my actual review of them, so I'm going to do that part first. And that was the part that took me a bit to decide, because I know some of the more hardcore fashion enthusiasts are going to tell you without a second thought to stay away from these. They'll say they're tacky, they'll say you look like a fool wearing them, but after a bit of deliberating, I have to disagree, and let me tell you why. Once upon a time, people wore suits, and they wore dress shirts, and they wore dress shoes. That was how it was in the men's fashion world, but that's not how it is anymore. Today, you'll see people wearing suits with a t-shirt, suits with Converse, suits with sneakers. So I really had to base my opinion on a broader scope. The people who wear suits every day, who would never wear a t-shirt or sneakers, they're probably not watching this channel. I mean, let's face it. They already know what they want and what they like. People like my friend Chris, he's a teacher. He doesn't need to dress to the nines for work. He just wants to dress a little bit better while still being comfortable. So, Chris, for the first part of this video, I would say yes. For some people, and in some instances, that one would wear sneakers, a very casual pair of dress sneakers could work. Now, that being said, I still need to do my review on these ones in particular, the Gatsby shoes. But before we get to my review of the shoes themselves, I'd like to give a shout out to Extra Wallets. I've done a few reviews on their products in the past. I absolutely love them. My everyday carry for the past year and a half, probably closer to 2 years, has been their modular bifold because of the magnetic middle piece that you can keep in the wallet or you can take it out depending on whether or not you need it. Extra makes minimalist wallets and card holders, and they sent me 2 of their newer products to show you. They keep adding new color options to fit your style and your personality. This one here is the Parliament wallet in terracotta. That's a new color for this one. And this one here is the aluminum card holder in oil slick. The card holder part holds 5, 6, 7 cards, maybe more depending on the type of card. And then they have this belt around them, which allows you to keep cash, more cards, whatever you need. And I wanted to show you this. Look how awesome that looks. So you can see my review of Extra Wallets at the top of this page and at the end of this video. I'm also going to have a link in the description of this video and that video, so that way you can get a discount should you decide to purchase one for yourself or somebody else. Again, awesome, high quality products. And now for my review of the Gatsby shoes, which I would say are about as far away from awesome as you can be. They arrived quickly, about a week and a half after I ordered them, and I have rather mixed feelings. If you want them to be dressy, I probably wouldn't have put this white stripe and the red flare at the bottom of the shoes. It really takes it down even more on the casual side, but some people might like that. So let's go through the website and let's see what it says versus what it is. First thing, you can see that there's 3 color options. You get black, blue, and brown. And then you can choose from normal or wide width. I went with the wide width because I've got wider feet. Now the website says that it's high quality leather. It's really not. It might be leather, but it's not high quality. It kind of looks and feels like something from the bargain bin at Walmart. And then on top of that, you're not going to get high quality leather and craftsmanship shoes for $60 coming from China. It's just not going to happen. Then we got the orthopedic design of these shoes provides ultimate comfort and support, allowing you to wear them all day without experiencing foot pain, making them suitable for all day wear and ideal for people who spend long hours on their feet. Also, no, the soles of these are very thin. I've got a lot of shoes. I've got my nicer looking sneakers, my white canvas shoes. I've got shoes for a lot of walking, shoes for a lot of standing. I've got dress shoes. I have feet issues, so I can't wear things like Converse. Not if I plan to do a lot of standing or walking. They're nice shoes, but they don't offer much support. I would put these into that category. They just don't have the type of support for somebody like me. If you are able to walk around and wear Converse sneakers all day, then you should be fine in these. But again, I wouldn't call it an orthopedic design. The high quality leather, we already went over that. Versatile, suitable for any occasion from formal events to everyday wear, making them versatile and perfect for any, no, it's just no. Yes and no, I guess. So it's versatile enough for the most casual of settings, but I wouldn't expect to see somebody wearing these to a wedding, a funeral, a board meeting, a courtroom. You get the idea. They look nicer than sneakers, but they aren't formal. All right, stylish design with a sleek and sophisticated design. These shoes are going to elevate your style and make you stand out from the crowd, adding a touch of class and elegance to any outfit. I can't really say yes or no to this because everybody's style is different. For me, I'm probably not going to keep these. They're likely going to go to the VA on my next trip for donations, but I could see me wearing these at like maybe a mall or something if I didn't have anything better, but I do, so I won't. Breathable material, yeah, these were fine. It didn't overheat my feet or anything like that. And then color options, again, it gives you the 3 color options, blue, brown, or black. I also noticed that, you know, now, not when I ordered these, but now they have an Oxford style, which is a little bit nicer looking, doesn't have this brick looking design to it, but it still has the flare at the bottom of the shoe, making it still look like half sneaker, half dress shoe. That one's about the same price at $64. These are about $61 after the discount, which everybody gets the discount. So all of that to say that if this is your price range and you're looking for something a little bit more comfy than a dress shoe, do what you want. But me personally, I feel like there are dress shoes that are higher quality leather with more comfortable insoles that are going to do you just fine for maybe just a little bit more. So if you could save a few more weeks and go with something like that. All right, here's the video on my review of Extra Wallet, which does in fact use high quality leather. Don't forget the link in this and that video description so that way you can get a discount on your own Extra Wallets, and I will see you there.